In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Google Docs document as a PDF. This is a quick way to preserve your formatting. Share a file that looks the same on any device and make it easy for others to view or print without needing Google Docs. Start by opening your document in Google Docs on your computer. Make sure the document is fully loaded and any recent changes are saved. You can glance at the top where it typically says Save to Drive when everything is up to date. If you're working in a browser like Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox, the process is the same. Now, look to the top left corner of the screen for the menu bar. Click File to open the drop-down, then hover over Download. You'll see a list of formats you can export to. Choose PDF document, which is labeled with .pdf. As soon as you click that, Google Docs will generate a PDF version of your document using your current layout, fonts, images, and page settings. Your browser will begin downloading the file right away. In most cases, it will go to your computer's default Downloads folder. You may see a download indicator at the bottom or top of your browser window, depending on which browser you're using. If your browser asks where to save files each time, you can confirm the location there. Otherwise, it will automatically head to Downloads without any extra prompts. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder to find the PDF. On Windows, open File Explorer and click Downloads in the left sidebar. On a Mac, open Finder and select Downloads. The file name will match your Google Docs title with a .pdf extension. Double-click to open it and review the pages to make sure everything looks the way you expect. PDFs preserve your layout, so headings, spacing, images, and page breaks should match what you saw in Google Docs. Keep in mind that comments and suggested edits typically aren't included in a PDF export. It's essentially the clean, final version. If you plan to share the PDF, you can now attach it to an email, upload it to a shared drive, or move it from your Downloads folder to a project folder so it's easier to find later. That's all there is to it. Open your document in Google Docs, go to File, choose Download, then select PDF, and your file will be saved to your default Downloads folder, ready to use.